All right, guys and gals, we got an awesome truck here today, man. It's called Pumpkin. What it is, an 07 Chevy short wheelbase. I built a full custom interior, and when I say full custom, I mean full custom. There ain't nothing in this truck that I didn't touch. Come check it out. You can see right there, we started with a full custom door panel. You notice there's nothing on this door panel that opens the door. But if you look at that armrest, it's called a shotgun door handle. You can take and just pull it back, and the door opens up. All mechanical, nothing electrical, so you can get out no matter what. Full custom door panel. We did lines, man. I'm real big about lines, so the lines flow through this thing awesome. The design matches up here, and it matches